In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stop loss to your trades, helping you minimize potential losses and manage your risk effectively. Adding a stop loss is an essential step for anyone actively trading, as it serves as a safety net in the ever-volatile markets. We'll guide you through the process in simple, easy-to-understand steps. First things first, it's crucial to ensure your TradingView account is connected to a broker that supports stop loss orders. Without this connection, you won't be able to implement this important risk management tool. Once your account is all set up, you're ready to begin. Now let's dive into the trade panel. On your TradingView chart, you'll find the option to open a trading panel by clicking either the buy or sell button, depending on your trading strategy. This panel is where you will input all necessary details for your trade. Next, you need to input your order details. Start by specifying the amount of the asset you wish to trade. Pay careful attention to this step, as it can determine the size of your position and consequently the level of risk you're taking on. Now, look for the stop loss order field. Once you've located it, you'll see a checkbox next to it. Make sure you click this checkbox, which activates the option to enter a stop loss price. This is where you'll input the exact price at which you want your stop loss to trigger, giving you the freedom to decide how much of a loss you are willing to take. After carefully reviewing all your order details, the next step is to click Confirm. This action will not only place your trade, but also automatically set your stop loss, offering you peace of mind as you proceed with your trading activities. If you already have an open position and wish to add a stop loss, don't worry, it's just as straightforward. Start by navigating to the Positions tab. This is where you can manage all your active trades. Find the specific order you want to modify and simply click the Edit icon next to it. In the new window that opens, you'll need to check the Stop Loss box and set your desired price level. Once you've done that, apply the changes to your existing trade and you're all set. Remember, you can also adjust your stop loss level directly on the chart by clicking and dragging the stop loss line. This feature offers flexibility and can be incredibly useful in dynamic market conditions. Keep an eye on your position after placing the stop loss. The line will be displayed right on the chart, making it easy to monitor. Lastly, consider using bracket orders, which allow you to set both a stop loss and a take profit order when opening a new position. This strategy helps you plan your exit points, providing an additional layer of protection and clarity for your trades. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding a stop loss to your trades on TradingView. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your trades more effectively and protect your capital in the long run. Happy trading!